Hello friends, welcome back to my channel TechGetter Official. In today's video, we're taking a detailed look at the latest Windows 11 Insider Preview build released for the beta channel, specifically focusing on build 2620.7653, which is part of the ongoing development of Windows 11 version 25H2. This update is particularly important because it is exclusive to the beta channel, meaning Microsoft has now officially closed the window for switching from the dev channel to the beta channel. This move clearly signals a major shift in Microsoft's testing strategy, as the dev channel is expected to transition to a new development branch, likely introducing experimental features that are not directly tied to Windows 11 25H2. From this point forward, the beta channel becomes the primary testing platform for all 25H2 related features, making it the most relevant channel for users who want a stable preview of what's coming next in Windows 11. What makes this even more interesting is that we haven't seen dedicated beta channel builds in quite a while, so it's great to finally see Microsoft actively pushing meaningful updates here again, giving us a clearer picture of how Windows 11 25H2 is shaping up. As always in this video, we'll cover what's new, what's changed, what's fixed in this build. So if you enjoy Windows updates and tech news like this, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to TechGetter Official, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future uploads. Now, let's get started. What's new in this build? One of the key improvements in this Windows 11 Insider Preview build is for Copilot Plus PC users. Microsoft has significantly improved the performance of Copilot prompt suggestions and the click-to-do feature, which now load instantly instead of taking a noticeable delay. Previously, users experienced a short wait when opening Copilot or interacting with suggested actions, but with this update, the experience feels much more responsive and seamless. This change improves overall usability, especially for users who rely on Copilot for quick tasks, suggestions, and AI-powered workflows throughout the day. It's important to note that this enhancement is rolling out gradually, so not all Copilot Plus PC users may see it immediately. Additionally, this update is exclusive to Copilot Plus PCs, meaning standard Windows 11 systems without Copilot Plus hardware support will not receive this improvement. Microsoft is likely using this rollout to test stability and performance before expanding similar optimizations to a wider audience in future builds. Settings app improvements. In this Windows 11 Insider Preview build, Microsoft has introduced several design and usability improvements to the Settings app, further aligning it with Windows 11's modern design language. When navigating to Settings accounts, other users, and changing an account type, users will now notice that the dialog box fully respects the system's visual theme and design principles. For example, if your system is set to dark mode, the dialog will now appear in dark mode as well, creating a more consistent and polished user experience. Microsoft is also updating the Add New Account dialog, although this change is currently limited to work or school accounts, meaning regular consumer accounts won't see this updated interface just yet. Another subtle but interesting change, first spotted by Phantom of Earth on X, formerly Twitter, affects the search behavior within the Settings app. When you search for a specific option, such as mouse settings, the search query now remains active even when you navigate between different sections, allowing quicker access without needing to retype the same search. While this may seem like a minor tweak and its usefulness may vary from user to user, it could be helpful in certain workflows where frequent back-and-forth navigation is required. Additionally, Microsoft has expanded wallpaper format support in Windows 11, as the system now supports WebP images as desktop backgrounds. Alongside existing image formats, users can now set WebP files directly as wallpapers, offering better image compression and quality, which is especially useful for high-resolution displays. In this latest Windows 11 Insider Preview build, Microsoft has delivered a wide range of important stability, performance, and usability fixes across multiple system components. Starting with the taskbar and system tray, an issue has been fixed where the autohide taskbar appeared too early, blocking apps near the bottom of the screen, which was especially frustrating during full screen or productivity tasks. Microsoft also resolved a bug where the Start menu, Quick Settings, and Notification Center sometimes failed to open with a mouse click, even though keyboard shortcuts still worked. In the Start menu, a significant memory leak has been fixed, which could previously cause gradual performance slowdowns over time. Additional fixes address layout problems where the Start menu opened on the wrong side of the screen for Arabic and Hebrew users, and a touch-related issue where interacting with pinned app folders could unintentionally dismiss the Start menu. Bluetooth users will also benefit from this update, as Microsoft fixed an issue that prevented battery levels from displaying for supported Bluetooth devices. For gamers, the build resolves multiple unexpected app and game behavior issues related to the Xbox full-screen experience on PC, improving stability and compatibility. On the login and lock screen, Microsoft fixed a bug that caused the password icon to appear blank, which could be confusing during sign-in. The Settings app has also received attention, with fixes for crashes when interacting with audio devices, as well as a correction to an issue where keyboard character delay settings were reversed from their actual configured values. In addition to these major fixes, Microsoft addressed several smaller but noticeable issues, including text clipping in MS Info 32 at high display scaling, app installer, .m6, installation failures caused by invalid argument errors, and a notepad rendering issue where underscores failed to appear correctly at 125% scaling. Finally, an underlying problem has been fixed that could cause Explorer.exe to hang during first login, resulting in the taskbar not appearing, which significantly improves the first boot experience. Overall, this build focuses heavily on polish and reliability, making it a solid update for beta channel testers. At the moment, Microsoft has confirmed one known issue in this Windows 11 Insider Preview build. A small number of users may encounter black screens or incorrect display behavior on secondary monitors, particularly after installing the latest updates. This issue does not affect all systems, but Microsoft has officially acknowledged it and is actively working on a fix, which is expected to arrive in a future update. That brings us to the end of everything new and changed in this Windows 11 beta channel build for version 25H2. From here onward, all 25H2 related features will continue to be tested exclusively in the beta channel, making it the most relevant channel for users who want a reliable preview of the upcoming Windows 11 release. At the same time, the dev channel is expected to shift its focus toward the next major version, Windows 11 26H2, where more experimental and early-stage features will be introduced. If you found this video helpful or informative, please like, share, and subscribe to TechGetter Official, and don't forget to enable notifications so you never miss future Windows updates, tips, and tech news. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.